The viral fever is gone, but that stubborn, lingering cough just won't stop. When post-viral congestion disrupts your life, turn to a natural, long-lasting solution. Discover the healing power of homeopathy with Dr. Monica Singh, a dedicated consultant in Whitefield, Bengaluru. By addressing the root cause and strengthening your immunity, Dr. Monica helps you recover fully without side effects. Don't just mask the symptoms, heal from within. Visit Dr. Monica Singh's clinic in Whitefield and breathe easy again. Book your consultation today.